A pump that is laboring and surging, or a filter housing that is having air introduced into it, is most likely cavitating, shown here. Cavitation dramatically increases the load the pump sees under otherwise normal conditions, which lowers the efficiency and wastes energy. The most common cause of cavitation is either an input hose that is not completely submerged or a loose filter housing casing. If you have just installed a new filter canister and the pump won't draw or cavitates, verify that the top of the filter canister does not have a pressure relief valve in the areas shown here. Third-party filter canisters often have pressure relief valves that are not intended to be installed on the suction side of a pump and will not work correctly. Visit www.dankoff.solar for a list of retailers that carry the Dankoff Solar filter canister. Dankoff Solar, an investment in your renewable future.